I pick up the socks, I pick up the shirts, I clean my messy room today. Laundry time! Oh wow, this shirt is very smelly today. Maybe I played football outside with my friends too long. This laundry basket is very heavy, but I am a strong and helpful boy today. I can carry it. Mom, I bring all the dirty clothes from my messy room today.
Good job, Tommy. Let's wash together. Open the washing machine slowly and gently, Tommy.
Wow, it looks like a big shiny space tunnel. I put the blue shirt inside, then the red pants go in too today. Goodbye, dirty clothes.
Pour the detergent slowly and carefully, Tommy.
It smells very sweet and fresh like beautiful flowers. I am ready now. I press the button to start washing the clothes today.
Great job!
Look, Mom, the washing machine is spinning very fast, like a colorful merry-go-round today. The bubbles are dancing inside like tiny funny clouds in the sky today. Mom, is the washing finished now, or do we still need to wait a little longer today?
Wait!
The washing is finished now. I can hear the machine stop, and the clothes are finally clean today.
That's wonderful, Tommy. Let's go see.
Yay! All clean! Wow, the clothes are so clean and they smell very fresh like sunshine and flowers today. Oh no, the pants are hugging the shirt very tightly like best friends today. Silly clothes.
Please put the clean clothes into this basket carefully so we can take them outside to dry.
Okay, Mommy. I am carrying the clean clothes outside to the sunny garden where the warm wind can dry them today. I hang my small shirt on the clothesline so the sunshine and wind can dry it quickly today.
Use this clothespin to hold the shirt tightly so the wind cannot blow it away today, Tommy.
I try to clip the shirt carefully, but my arms are still very short today. Please wait, little shirt. Look, Mom, my shirt is dancing happily in the wind like it is having a funny party today. Hello, little bird. Please do not take my clean socks because I still need them for school tomorrow. Oh no! The naughty wind takes my sock and makes it fly away like a tiny white kite. Wait for me, silly sock. I am running as fast as I can to catch you today.
Run faster, Tommy. You can catch the sock because you are a brave and strong helper today.
Yay! I catch the flying sock and save the laundry day like a superhero boy today. The towel feels warm and soft like a sunny hug from the sky today. I love laundry. Now the clothes are dry, I take them down carefully and put them neatly into the basket today. I bring the clean clothes back inside the house because laundry time is almost finished now today.
Fold the shirt like this, Tommy. Make the sides straight and smooth so it looks very neat.
Look, Mom, I can fold the clothes by myself now and they look very nice and tidy today. Oh no, the clothes are falling down like colorful rain, but I will fix them quickly today. I try again slowly and carefully so the clothes stay neat and beautiful like in a shop today. I put my clean clothes into the wardrobe so my room will stay tidy and fresh every day. My bedroom smells clean and fresh now because I worked hard to finish the laundry today with Mom.
I am very proud of you, Tommy. You are becoming such a helpful and responsible boy every day.
My clean room makes me feel excited and full of energy. I can play happily all day long. Clean clothes look so beautiful and colorful when they are folded nicely and kept in the right place. Doing the laundry is not difficult when we try our best and help our family every single day. Thank you, Mom, for teaching me how to wash clothes and keep my room clean every day. Look, everyone, I finished doing the laundry today and I feel like a strong and helpful little hero. This milk tastes extra yummy after working hard and finishing all the laundry tasks with my lovely mom today. Today I learned how to do the laundry and keep everything clean. Thank you for watching my fun day. See you next time, my friends. Remember to help your family and keep your clothes clean every day. Goodbye!